Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you more literacy and math activities for preschoolers and kindergartners. So the first activity we have here is called Feed the Crayon Box. So as you can see, there's a little crayon guy here, and I cut out a hole on a shoebox for his mouth, and then I taped him onto the box. And then we have the cards over here. So the crayons have little pictures on them, and these are the cards that the child would draw. So you play by like this. So the child would draw a card. It says, feed me something that starts with the letter T. So then they would look on these cards and find the picture that starts with T. Which one starts with T? The tiger. And then they would feed it to the crayon. And they would go on and on throughout the whole alphabet. And you can put as many of the crayons out as you want. It is the full alphabet. Then, I have this little activity here. And it is a word activity. So you can see this one says Dan. Then we got jam, can, Pam, etc. All through the three-letter words. And what I did is I just wrote them on a piece of paper, cut it out, and then I hid them around the house. And I had my child go and find the little pieces of paper around the house, and each time that they found one, they had to read the word that was on it and tell me what the word was. Then we have another activity here. This one is for numbers, and this one is going to be higher numbers, so numbers in the hundreds, so 750 or whatever. So pretty much I have these little magnets here that, you stick on the fridge, and they're all different numbers, and I put them in this colander, and you have the child just mix up the colander, close their eyes, and pick a letter. So they got 3, so then they would put the 3 down, and they would pick 3 different letters. So there's the 3, here's an 8, and here's a 6. Then they would have to read the number. So they would have to say 386. And this helps teach them the bigger numbers. Then we have this activity over here, which can be adapted to higher level kindergarten shapes as well as preschool shapes. So you draw a shape on the whiteboard. So I drew a square. So then you would say, okay, this is a square. Can you build it? And you would take the popsicle sticks, and the child would pick whichever ones they want, and they would build whatever shape you drew on the board. So obviously you're going to draw shapes that are straight lined. Simple shapes for preschool would be like square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, star. Maybe harder ones for kindergarten might be octagon, hexagon, things like that. And then this is the last activity that I'm going to be showing you guys today. Now, this is another 3-letter word reading activity. So I have Ann up here, so that's going to be the word family. And these are the magnets again, and I would put these on the fridge. Okay, and then I have my child close their eyes, spin around a couple times, lead them over here, and I'd have them, with their eyes closed, pick a letter. So say they pick D, and then I would have them put it in front of the Ann and read the word, Dan, and they would have to sound out the letters and read the word to help them learn the letters that make up the word. And that's all I have for you today. Now, the popsicle sticks and the colander that I used, I got from the Dollar Tree. The magnets, I believe I got from Walmart.com. And the crayon box activity over here, it was actually a free printable. I'll see if I can leave you a link to where you can download it yourself. And you just download it, print it off, and then I laminated them for durability, but you certainly don't have to. That's all for today. So if you like this video, you can leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button so that way you can catch every video that we make. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.